little 356 we built a couple of years ago. It was on the body jig for 3 months, lots of rust in it unfortunately, but all new panels and welding where it needed it, resprayed in gloss back. All of the bumpers have been deleted and seamlessly filled in where the brackets were, so really nice lines on it. Inside black and really deep brown kind of leather trim, aircraft foam bucket seats. It's gorgeous, lovely cockpit, and exhaust sounds absolutely amazing as you'll hear in the video. 1700 cc's now, goes down the road pretty quickly. Up for sale. It's an epic drive, massive Rindt. Call for more details.